Siron KYC covers the entire risk classification process for new customers. The questionnaire data provides the basis for the new customer check. The optional interface to the Orbis database of Bureau van Dijk detects beneficial owners automatically. The check of the data and the initial risk assessment of the potential customer is mostly automatic. It results in the acceptance or rejection of the customer. Upon completion of the check, the responsible employee receives instructions on adequate treatment of the business contact and on the resulting risk-based measures. High-risk customers are processed and finally assessed in case management. We will show you the procedure in another video. Siron KYC matches customer data with official sanction and commercial PEP lists according to the risks specified by the bank. To this end, compliance with national and international sanction and embargo regulations must be ensured. Siron KYC checks the identity of politically exposed persons and of their family members and business partners. For legal entities, data of beneficial owners are also included in the check. Risk classification of the customer also includes the risk resulting from the relation, which means that the risk of a beneficial owner is passed to the legal entity and vice versa. Business rules are used for custom queries that influence the search result and control risk assessment at customer acceptance. New customers can be categorized in accordance with FATCA regulations and reported to the US tax authority and other national authorities. Entering customer data into the electronic questionnaires is easy and intuitive. Input by clerk is highly secure. The selected questionnaire can be made dynamic to suit various customer groups. Selection is made through option fields in the questionnaire. Questionnaires can be made dynamic through if-then conditions, which allows input according to the specific situation. For instance, the answer to a question may require an answer to an additional question. The completeness check ensures that all relevant data is collected. The check is initiated from the questionnaire. The company's beneficial owners must also be identified for corporate customers. This is achieved by connecting Siron KYC to the Orbis database of Bureau van Dijk. Compliance officers can use an interface for automatic access to the Orbis database by Bureau van Dijk with ownership data of more than 100 million companies worldwide. This facilitates data input of beneficial owners in the questionnaires at customer acceptance significantly and enhances data quality. You only have to send a query concerning a legal entity from the questionnaire. The Orbis database is searched and the names of the beneficial owners belonging to the legal entity are inserted in the questionnaire. By the way, you can use a BVD report to match customer data from the core banking system with data from the Orbis database. Use questionnaires in Siron KYC to create and design interactive forms for customer acceptance. Programming skills or other IT knowledge are not required. Insert input fields from a catalog in the questionnaire per drag and drop. This allows you to adjust questionnaires to the bank's requirement with regards to content and layout. Existing questionnaires can be edited. Siron KYC may be used as a standalone solution, or it can be integrated in existing core banking or CRM systems. There are these options. Siron KYC handles the entire customer acceptance process. The bank already has an electronic questionnaire. In this case, Siron KYC uses the collected data and matches it with the lists using a web service. Mixed. Your bank collects part of the question itself and opens a URL to the questionnaire to complete the customer acceptance questions. The risk classification is returned to the core banking system in order to synchronize both systems. Learn more about Siron KYC from other videos.